Hello, my name is Noah and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be opening all these Kinder Surprise eggs. Are you wondering what are we going to do with them? Well, later we're going to eat them, but first we're going to open these and try to get like the best one. So let's get started. First, we're starting with the top. And we got a whale. I mean, it's better than nothing. And we got a whale. I'm putting my collection right here. Alright, next one. Third egg. There's gonna be a mountain of chocolate. The Kinder Surprise egg was tasty. And most kids actually like it. I mean, I don't blame them because it's very tasty. I don't know if it's a lion or a cheetah, but we got the cheetah or lion. I don't know, but still going to the collection. In total, we have 74 eggs, including the big ones. You know what? Let's do it. For this one, I didn't need the instructions. And we got a crocodile. And here we got an eagle. Wee. Okay, time to take one of the big ones. And we got it unwrapped. Please, kids, don't do this. And safety first. Oh, that's a strong egg. Kaboom. We'll just eat some chocolate. Okay, so that was a gigantic boy. What? Oh. Yeah. In the USA, Kinder eggs are not allowed. They're illegal. Like, I don't know why. They're literally just chocolate eggs, but they're literally just chocolate eggs, but they just have like something inside. Like, why? Get out of there. I'll show you instructions. And we got a turtle. His head doesn't want to come out. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I like your cut, G. I like your cut, G. Yeah, let me just show you the crack inside of it I made. That's a big boy crack. Kaboom. And it's a bunny. Okay, 50 millionth egg. Hey, eggs. I haven't really been screwing around with you. And we got a raccoon. You look, because we haven't really going fast for these eggs. We're doing 3 at a time. Okay, boom. Kaboom. Well, I guess I just took the whole thing out in one hit. Literally, the whole thing just exploded. That was a real kaboom. Okay, so we got a lot of them at once. I'm gonna leave the eggs for later. I'm just gonna be smashing these eggs. Kaboom! And if you ate all of these, you would get diabetes. I'm not gonna eat all of them, of course, so. You know what? 9 at a time. Alright, let me just do it faster. Alright, so we got everything. All the eggs. Here they all are. We're going to start. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the meteor of chocolate. Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna take that out later. Let's do the other way around. What? Alright. This is literally the hammer destroying chocolate. Yeah, oopsie. Okay, the last one was a clean cut. What if I don't? I know. Let's do the other way around. We're already on the third bowl. We haven't even finished the first out 3. One more to go. I like it. Good. I could have broke the table on that one. Alright, that's a lot of chocolate. And we're done with the first thing. 316, let's go. Okay. Kaboom. Okay. The last one was Animal Edition. Now we're going on Christmas Edition. Because when I'm making this video, it's almost Christmas. Let's go. And we're gonna unbox all of these. I'm just do some magic. Alright. So now we got all these unpacked. Time to smash them. And let's go kaboom. Kaboom. It's full of chocolate. Just kaboom, kaboom, boom. Just go kaboom. Kaboom. I haven't really screwed around with you. Get it screwed around with you? Well, I broke the shell, but I didn't get in all the way. Actually, I did. I broke the shell and got in, but I didn't hit the inside. Alright, I need more kaboom. Kaboom. Time to go. Kaboom boom. I'm like, just die already. I don't think there's enough room for the chocolate anymore. I like it, Kudgy. Let me just eat some right now. Let's do some double magic. And we magically teleported all this here. Time to do some more magic. Ta-da! Now we got all these eggs. It is kaboom time. Alright. You know what? I'm just putting the chocolate on the side and there's no more space. Oh! I am going to cut you. I like You cut. Yeet. And also, this is the first Kinder Joy. Let's do dangerous mode. Yeah, I don't think that works. Alright, now we're on the Kinder. Now we're on the Kinder Joy eggs. And, well, let's do something. And that is kaboom. Yeah, I know. I'm taking another one. Here we go again. Oopsie. How I go crazy. Ta-da! And you? You too. Yeet. So. Look at this, cameraman. X marks the spot. Oh, I guess I kind of already broke inside. Well, I don't care. I like you, cut. You what? What? This is literally like a flippin' sealed. How is paper so strong against the hammer? And yeah, I'm doing the complete opposite. I literally smashed the whole Kinder Joy egg in half. Okay, let's keep on let's have flipping go. What? Nothing, just like go try the egg just went flying. Let's have flipping go. That's enough. Just open. Alright, so we're going to the second last egg of the third row. Time for you to die. Alright. Nope. Alright. Remove this part. Well, that was a clean cut, even though it wasn't in the middle, but how can you even jump when you're not curved? What do you like more? Kinder Joy or Kinder Surprise eggs? For me, Kinder Joy. They're gonna be smacked from both sides. There we go. Wee! Well, I could have broke the table right there, but because I didn't. And we're gonna have to clean up this table big time. I ripped the outside, this one, and took that outside in. Yeah, so only one more. Can this boy be defeated, or will he survive? 3, 2, 1, go. Well, I already blew gigantic hole with one hit. Just one. Let's see the other side. Yeah, even a bigger hole. Kaboom! Alright, so this is the last egg. Let's see what's inside. Open. And Alright, so I guess we got a gigantic box. Let's put it together. Alright, let's see what we got out of all 74 Kinder Surprise Eggs and Kinder Joys. Alright, so that was the last Kinder Egg, and bye!